Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Xbox console error code 0x87e107df. So if you're getting this error, try again later. There might be an outage in our online service. Try again in a few minutes, and if you get this error again, check the server status. The error code is 0x87e107df. So if you're getting this error, then it is mainly because of the outage in their online service, or their server might be down or under maintenance. But in the meantime, you can follow these fixes. So the first fix is to clear the alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, then navigate to general network settings, then navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address, and then click on clear, and then restart your console by clicking on restart. And after your console restart, then check if your error is solved or not. If not, then reset console without deleting games and apps. So again go to Xbox settings, then go to system, and then click on console info, then click on reset console, then click on reset and keep my games and apps, and then follow the on-screen instruction to reset your Xbox console, and then check if the error is fixed or not after resetting your Xbox consoles. If still your problem is not solved, then as I said earlier, you can check the server status of Xbox. It could be possible that the server might be down, having outages, or under maintenance. So in such scenarios, just wait and check back later when the server status gets back online. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.